Okay, so all the student of class 2, open your 9th number page from your math magic book. It's the second chapter. What the name? Counting in groups. Okay. So, what do you mean by groups? Groups means like if you think that there will be in your school, you can all remember one thing, that there is a teacher desk, and in this side there are some bench, and this side also there are some bench, isn't it? Now if there are 3 bench this side, and this side also they are having the 3 bench, now you can say that there are 2 groups of bench over there. 2 groups. How many groups of benches over there? There are 2 groups, because there are 3, and in each group what is the number of bench? It's 3. Okay. The number of benches are same, and they are divided into 2 groups. Like it can be, if there is another like this, then you can say that there are 3 groups of benches over there, and in each group there are 3 benches. Okay. Now the another thing that we have to be learned in this chapter, write down on your book or copy. One pair equal to 2 things. One pair equal to 2 things. Okay. Who didn't mute their audio? When I will taking your class, or shout all of the class that mute your audio? Huh? Okay, one pair equal to 2 things. This is important information that you have to be remembered for all of your life. Now say me, if one pair equal to 2 things, now can you tell me how many pair of eyes you have? How many pair of eyes you have? Can you tell me? How many pair of eyes you have? How many pair? I am not saying how many. Yes, we all having one pair eyes. But if I am asking how many eyes eyes, that time you can say 2 eyes. Okay? 2 eyes. Okay. Now, if I say students, how many ears we having? How many ears we having? Can you say me? How many ears we having? Okay. How many ears we having? 2. So we having 2 ears. Now 2 ears equal to how many pairs of ears? 2 ears equal to how many pair of ears? How many pair? 1 pair. Very good. Now say me, how many fingers you having? How many fingers you having in your on your both hand? 10. How many? 10 fingers. Now, can you say me how many pairs? How many pairs? In two hands all together, how many pairs? Pair. Now you have to tell me in pairs. 5 pair. P-A-I-R. Very good. Now see, this thumb, one pair, this one thumb and another one thumb. These two become one. Then this one and this one become another 2. This one 3. This one is 4 and this one is 5. So, it's a 5 pair. Very good. 5 pairs of finger. Okay, please don't shout on the microphone. Okay, so if I say like 12 things equal to how many pairs? How many pairs? Six pairs. Very good. Okay. Good. Now the next question. 4 pairs equal to how many things? Four pairs equal to how many things? Yes, it's 8 things. As because 1 pair equal to 2 things, then 4 pair will be 4 into 2 equal to 8 things. Okay? Very good. Now open your book, page number 9. Look and guess the number. So look at first the cup. Look at the cups. See, they have provide you the cups. You will do book work, okay? Take out your pencil. Can you guess how many cups? Can you guess how many cups? What is the number of cups? Now listen one thing. So see, can you Guess how many cups? So 10. So say after question mark over there write down 10 cups inside your books. Tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cups. Very good. Now look at the next one. There are some beautiful designs of what? Shoes. Can you guess how many pairs of shoes? They are not asking you the number of shoes. They are asking you about the pair of shoes. Now say me, let me see that my students are how much intelligent. So it's Aurithro Sheth, Niladri, Sharanya, Devargo, Priyangshu, Adrija, Jareen, Ahanna. Okay, it's Anushka. All has said it's a 9 pairs, students. So let's check your friend's answer. So pair means 2 shoes, 1 pair. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, all of you are correct. So can you guess how many pairs of shoes? So what you will write down? So now I will not write down the question. So after this question on the book, write down 9 pairs. 9 pairs of shoes. Okay? Okay. Now look at some children, those who are dancing. Now let's see why they are dancing. So 3 and 3 is 6 cups and 4 cups below, that should be 10 cups. So they are counting in this way, that 3 cups and 3 cups is 6 cups and 4 cups below, which makes 10 cups, isn't it? So already we have completed our counting. Now The next one is the girl is saying there are 3 lines with 3 pairs of shoes in each line. That makes 9 pairs of shoes. And about the shoes they are saying there are 3 lines of shoes, means 3 rack of shoes, first rack, second rack, third rack, and each rack there are one pair of shoe, one pair of shoe, one pair of shoe, means total 3 pairs. So 3 pair, 3 pair, 3 pair, total 9 pair of shoes. It's a who? It's Rishi. Those who having problem regarding video, disconnect the call and rejoin the class. Disconnect the call and rejoin the class. Okay. Now come to the next page. Come to the next page. Look at how different things are kept in groups. Try to guess the total number without counting each thing. So they are saying this time you will not count. You have to be look at the groups. You have to be look at the groups, and then after that you have to be see. So look at how different things are kept in groups. There are so many types of things over there, and now you have to be total number. So look at the first one person with some glasses. So tell me how many groups of glass over there? How many groups? Just answer me. There is no question in the book. How many? 4. Very good. 4 groups. Now can you tell me in each group how many? In each group how many glass? In each group. No, not in each group, not 4. 3, yes. 4 is the number of groups of glasses, and in each group there is 3 glasses. Now, how you will make the total? Number of groups and total number of groups and how many in each group. Multiply this one. So we all learned the table in class 1. So 4 3 is how much? 4 3 is 12. So you will write down like 4 into 3 equal to 12 glasses. Okay. Then look at the bangles. Look at the bangles. One woman who is selling some bangles. So tell me how many groups of bangles over there? Tell me the number of groups. How many groups of bangles? 5. Okay. Listen one thing. Don't write down only 5. Write down 5 groups. 5 groups. Okay. Groups 5 or 5 groups. Then it will be also clear for all of you. Now, in each group, what is the number of bangles? Each group, how many? 5 is the number of groups. Very good. And each group, how many bangles? If it is 4 bangles, write down 4 bangles. If it is 3 bangles, write down 3. If 5, then write down 5 bangles. If 6, then write down 6 bangles. Each group, how many bangles? 5 is the total number of bangles, and each group. Okay, 5 bangles. Very good. So what will be the total number of bangles, student? Without counting, we can say it. 5 is the total number of groups, and 5 is also the number of bangles in each group. So yes, it's 25. So we can say 5 into 5, it's a 25 bangles. Isn't it? Okay. Now the next question. Dash pair of earrings. What is the how many pairs of earrings over there? Let's see who can answer it me first. Don't shout on the microphone. Mute your audio. Type on the chat box. Don't shout on the microphone. It will disturb for the other students also. Don't shout on the microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. let's see how much time you all need. 12. Okay. Is it all right now? Yes, all right now. Now tell me. Dash pair of earrings. Okay. So it's Audrija who has said 12 pairs of earrings. Priyanshu said 12 groups. This is also correct. Then Aritro Shet also said 12. Yes, it's also correct. So write down 12 pairs of earrings. Okay. So today up to this much we will do. Okay. Because now after 2 minutes we all having the next class. So today up to this much we will do. On the next class we will do the next part of this chapter. Okay. And now if you having any question regarding today's class, text me on the text box. Tell me on the chat box whether you having any problem or not. If it is not, then that's all for today.